Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Alex, this is AMRC, and today I am flying the E-flite V-22 Osprey. Really special plane to me. It doesn't get as much flight time as it should, but today it's the day. Oh, let's go fly it. Okay, I'm gonna try just a vertical takeoff today. Haven't done that in a while. There it goes. Okay. Let's switch to forward flight. This really needs speed and turns. You can see if I slow down, the wings start to rock, even in straight level flight. It's in the sun. Okay, that was a bad idea. I'll try and keep it in this direction. Don't have any sunglasses. Flying it higher than usual. It's because I'm not really used to flying it. It's been a few months. Wish Horizon would improve on these. Come out with a new version. You can see the wings rocking there. Let me try and do a low pass.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Needs a lot of space to turn in this stability mode. It's a bit too touchy for me in the regular acro mode, where you have no bank limits. That's how I crashed it a couple of times, so I'll stick to this. I like this plane too much to crash it again. Okay, and these batteries I have for it, they're getting kind of old. I've already cut my timer from 5 to 4 minutes, and I have 1 minute left now.
Time remaining 1 minute.
So let me put it back into a hover. There it is. It's pretty high up. I'll try and bring it closer. And we have a van coming, so hopefully he passes fast. Try and bring it closer meantime. This vertical mode flies just like a drone. A GPS drone. If that's what you're thinking. Okay, it's down at least. It's a really nice plane, or whatever it is, helicopter plane. That's how you switch modes, and And the vertical flight, if you want it to go forward, push on the elevator, would be push it forward, then the cells tilt forward. So for back, you pull back on the stick, but they don't go far back as much. Then for the left and right, it just increases the, let me try and do it. Oh, give it a bit of throttle. It increases the, how do you call it? The revs, the rotations on the side. Then if you want to yaw, they kind of crisscross like that. Too bad these are discontinued, and I think mine probably needs a repaint, refresh. Got a fair bit of hanger rash. You can't see it from far, but I would like it to look as best as it can. I also have another one brand new in box. It's plug and play, and it only works with a specific discontinued receiver. I have in this one, so that's for spares for now. So let me know if you enjoyed it, if you'd like to see more of this. Thanks as always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, leave some great comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye.